Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on AMP token. On its 7 days time frame chart, AMP token has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And by the way, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern even before the breakout as well. And I was telling you in those days when it was quite squeezed, the movement of AMP token was quite squeezed inside this wedge. I was telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out the resistance and then AMP token may start a very massive pump. And by the way, from this low to here so far, AMP token has rallied more than 1,633%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 2.5 cents that was previously breaking as support here, and now it is flipped into a resistance, and now recently it is stuck inside in another down channel. And now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that for the past several days since after 17th of March 2024, the price is moving inside this channel. We got several rejections here, bounce here, rejection here. Then we had another bounce here. By the way, before that, we also had another rejection here as well. Another bounce here, another rejection, and now the price is moving between the resistance and support of this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for AMP token. And so far, this signal has produced almost 32% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for AMP that I shared on 18th of August 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that AMP token formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here, even rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 32% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me take you to the live chart of AMP token. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of March 2024, the price line is moving inside this channel. Recently, you can see that the price line is rejected by the resistance of the channel. At the same time, it is also rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.0045 as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.0045 it has been previously breaking as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here, and for a few weeks it had been breaking as support here as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a resistance for the price, and you can see that we got rejection here, but still moving very close to the resistance of this channel. And this time, if the price then tests the support of the channel, then it can test the support somewhere here, approximately at $0.002, and over there we have another very long-term support. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, by the way, this time with the resistance of the channel, we will also need to break out this long-term resistance of $0.0045. Then technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 1.23 cents. And if the price then reaches there, then we can again break out another long-term resistance of $0.0079. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.0079 has been previously breaking, not here, this one has been previously breaking as a support here and resistance here as well, and therefore again it can break as a strong resistance for the price line. And after breaking out this resistance, the next major resistance will be again here from where the price line was rejected in the month of March 2024. That is at 2.5 cents. Now if we take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that breakout target is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.